Good morning everybody and welcome to the Celebration Assembly for the first week of Term 5. I hope everybody's had a fabulous Easter holiday and was able to enjoy the sunshine in their gardens, and we're making sure that they've been working hard on their Google Classroom tasks and just as importantly making sure that they're reading at home every day. Because as I've said before, it's really important that we make sure that we continue to work hard at home and complete the tasks that the teachers have been setting for all of you, to make sure that when we come back to school that we are still working just as hard as we have been before. So without further ado, we're going to make sure that we celebrate all of those children that have shown some exceptional learning at home this week and are celebrated by their teachers. So we'll make a start with reception. So this week we have Oscar and Ethan, who Miss Maynard has been telling me they've both been working incredibly hard at home to make sure that they've been completing all of their tasks and sharing some of their learning on the Tapestry app. So well done, Oscar and Ethan. Keep it up. In year 1, we have Hannah, who Miss Rose has been telling me has been going the extra mile at home and doing some extra work at home to show off just all of the exciting things that they've been doing and lots of craft and art-based activities. So well done, Hannah. In year 2, we have a number of children. We have Scarlett, we have Evie, we have Alex, we have Isla, and we have Ojas. So well done to all of you who Miss Rigdon's incredibly proud that you've been working hard at home, completing those tasks and uploading your work and showing off just all of that Martello learning. So well done to all of you. In year 3, we have Harry, and Miss Harris Scott has been sharing just all of the exciting work that Harry's been doing at home, and she's been particularly impressed and particularly excited about all the cooking Harry has been doing at home. So well done, Harry. Keep it up. In year 4, again, we have a long list of children that Miss Case is really proud of and who have been working hard to complete their tasks. So we have Emily, we have Ethan, we have Dulcie, we have Nicola, we have Amber Lily, we have Oliver, we have Mia, we have Marcus, Callum and Phoebe. So well done to all of you, all of those children that have been working hard, uploading their tasks, commenting and asking for extra questions and extra work to be completed. So well done, all of you. Year 5, we have Shraddha, who Miss Williams is really proud, has been showing off all of her learning and doing some extra activities on top. So well done. And she wants to give a special mention to Molly this week, who not only has been working incredibly hard on her own work, but has been encouraging all of the other children in their class and maintaining all of those high spirits as well. So well done, Molly. We're very proud of you. And in year 6, we have Jessica and Alexis. Miss Sheriff is really proud of both of you. You've been working hard, completing all of those tasks and showing off just all of that effort and Martello learning that you've been doing. So well done to all of you. Now, this week has been the first week of our Google Classroom learning. So well done to everybody that's been keen to get involved, but make sure that you keep it up. We've got a little way to go, so just make sure that you're logging on every day, completing those tasks, uploading your work for teachers to be able to see. And like I said earlier, just as importantly, reading at home every single day. Keep safe, keep happy, and we will see you again next week for another Celebration Assembly. Take care and enjoy the weekend. Bye-bye.